Good evening, sir.
Good evening, student. Hello.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
Good evening. सब ठीक. Hello, students. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Follow the RC कोलकाता इंस्ट्रक्शन. इनबॉक्स में मैसेज करके बता दिया कि आप लोगों का नाम, एनरोलमेंट, स्टडी सेंटर कोड सब लिखो. इन कॉल मैसेज ऑप्शन में जाओ. जाकर अपने नाम, अपने एनरोलमेंट नंबर, स्टडी सेंटर कोड, सब्जेक्ट कोड टाइप करके सेंड करो. जो दाएं तरफ तीनों डॉट है आपके फोन में जो दाएं तरफ तीनों डॉट है वो डॉट में टच करो. टच करके अपना नाम, अपना एनरोलमेंट नंबर, अपना स्टडी सेंटर कोड, अपना सब्जेक्ट सब लिख के पोस्ट करो. तुरंत करो. क्लास स्टार्ट करूंगा मैं.
सर, कुछ स्टूडेंट ज्वाइन करने की कोशिश कर रहा है लेकिन ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रहा है।
यहाँ पर तो रिक्वेस्ट आएगा एडमिट करने के लिए. नहीं आएगा तो हम कैसे ज्वाइन करेंगे.
ठीक है, वो पूछ रहा था मुझसे,
आएगा
बता
तो
दो।
जरूर कर देंगे. ठीक है. आप लोगों को किया, उनको क्यों नहीं किया, जरूर करेंगे. लिंक में क्लिक करके आने के लिए बताओ. आज का लिंक जो है 27 तारीख 27. All students are send your आइडेंटिटी कंप्लीट हो गया? आपका नाम, एनरोलमेंट, सब्जेक्ट, स्टडी सेंटर कोड?
यस सर।
ये तो आप ही लिख रहा। Now take your pen and exercise book. Today I will give some important questions of BHIC 133 from unit 2, 3, 4, 9, 14, 16 and 17. Today I give some important questions at first from unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 9, unit 14, unit 16 and unit 17. Right? Questions number 1.
Sir, again repeat unit same.
Unit unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 9, unit 14, unit 16, unit 17.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, right. Questions number 1. How did Iltutmish? How did Iltutmish succeed?
Sir, how did?
Iltutmish. Questions number 1. How did Iltutmish succeed? SUCCEED. SUCCEED. Succeed in consolidating consolidating his empire in the face of external and internal difficulties. In the face of external and internal difficulties, how did Iltutmish succeed in consolidating his empire in the face of external and internal difficulties? Questions number 2. Questions number 2. What were the problems? What were the problems faced by Ghiyasuddin Balban? What were the problems faced by Ghiyasuddin Balban? Continue the same questions. How far could he solve them? How far could he solve them?
Sir, can you repeat the question? Can you repeat the question?
What were the problems faced by Ghiyasuddin Balban? एक ही क्वेश्चंस कंटिन्यू करो. How far could he solve them? How far could he solve them? Next, in what ways was? In what ways was? In what ways was Alauddin Khalji? Alauddin Khalji responsible for
Alauddin.
Khalji.
Hello.
Alauddin Khalji. Alauddin Khalji. Khalji. Responsible for the expansion of the Sultanate. The expansion of the Sultanate.
सर नंबर 3 एक बार फिर से बोलिए ना.
इतना बार रिपीट करेंगे तो कैसे हम आज क्वेश्चंस लिखाएंगे? टाइम तो ज्यादा नहीं है ना. आपका की नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है वहां पर? बाकी
हाँ सर.
स्टूडेंट बाकी स्टूडेंट सुनाई दे रहा? रेस्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट आर यू लिसन मी?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
पारोमिता कोशिश करो. ठीक
जी
है.
सर.
सर
एक
एक रिक्वेस्ट है सर. सर एक
एक-
रिक्वेस्ट है. यहाँ पे कुछ हिंदी मीडियम का भी स्टूडेंट है, तो एक बार आप क्वेश्चन को, यहाँ पे कुछ हिंदी मीडियम का भी स्टूडेंट है, तो एक बार आप इंग्लिश में बोल दीजिए क्वेश्चन, एक बार हिंदी में बोल दीजिए.
यस
नहीं,
सर.
क्वेश्चंस इंग्लिश में लिखो. ठीक है, नहीं तो दोनों लैंग्वेज में करने बहुत टाइम चला जाता है. सोजा क्वेश्चंस है, इजी क्वेश्चंस का लैंग्वेज है. आपका कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो पूछ लेना. ठीक है. In what ways was Alauddin Khalji responsible for the expansion of Sultanate? Next questions. Questions number 4. Do you think that the schemes, schemes, schemes do you think that the schemes of Muhammad bin Tughlaq?
Sir, repeat. Do you think that the schemes
Of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, 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 were correctly conceived, 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 badly executed, Next questions. Give an account of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Give an account of Firoz Shah Tughlaq as a reformer. Give an account of Firoz Shah Tughlaq as a reformer. Continue the same questions. Is it fair? FAIR. Is it fair to hold? Is it fair to hold? Is it fair to hold him responsible for the fall of Delhi Sultanate? Is it fair to hold him responsible for the fall of Delhi Sultanate?
Responsible for the
Fall of FALL, fall of the Delhi Sultanate.
okay sir.
संस्कारक रूप में फिरोज शाह तुगलक का अचीवमेंट लिखो और दिल्ली सुल्तानेट के पतन के बारे में उनका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कितना थे उसके बारे में लिखो। ठीक है, यही क्वेश्चंस का मतलब है। विवेक यानी बिनॉय। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द नोशन NOTION notion, what was the notion regarding kingship of
Sir,
what
spelling
was
what was the notion of king scene?
kingship, king
Oh, acha,
KING SHIP, kingship
okay sir, what was the
of
notion of
the
king?
Delhi sultanates, sorry, of the Delhi sultans, from Iltutmish to Alauddin Khalji.
Sir, from
Iltutmish to Alauddin Khalji. I repeat again. What was the notion regarding kingship of the sultans of the Delhi from Iltutmish to Alauddin Khalji? यानी इल्तुतमिश से अलाउद्दीन खिलजी तक दिल्ली सुल्तान के जो राजतांत्रिक आदर्श थे उनके बारे में लिखिए। Next question, how did the Ilyas Shahi ILIYAS Ilyas Shahi SHAHI, how did the Ilyas Shahi and the Hussain Shahi rulers, how did the Ilyas Shahi and Hussain Shahi rulers how did Ilyas Shahi and Hussain Shahi rulers establish their political authority in Bengal?
Establish
Establish their political authority in Bengal. Their political authority in Bengal.
okay sir.
जो स्टूडेंट्स अभी तक अपने नाम, अपने एनरोलमेंट नंबर, अपना कॉलेज, स्टडी सेंटर और सब्जेक्ट नहीं लिखा, उन्होंने लिख के सेंड करो। इन कॉल मैसेज में जाओ, वहां पर अपना नाम लिखो, अपना एनरोलमेंट नंबर लिखो, अपना स्टडी सेंटर कोड लिखो और सब्जेक्ट लिखो, लिख सेंड करो। Next questions. Determine the role of ideological factor. Determine the role of the ideological factor in the emergence of Vijayanagar state. In the emergence of Vijayanagar state.
Sir, ideological factor then?
In the emergence, emergence, emergence of the Vijayanagar state. Vijayanagar, Vijayanagar state. जो क्वेश्चंस हम आज दे रहा सब क्वेश्चंस आप लोगों का फाइनल एग्जाम में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर फाइनल एग्जामिनेशन. सो make the answers carefully from your study kit. There are some
सर
problem.
सर
I
कुछ भी
already
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, क्या बोल रहे सर?
जो क्वेश्चंस आज हम दे रहा, all questions are important for your final examination. So be careful all the questions and make your suitable answer from your different books or study kit. If there you feel some problem, you can contact me by WhatsApp. I already give my mobile number. Okay. In previous class. Next questions continue. Trace the evolution of the ICTA system. Trace, TRAC, trace the evolution of the ICTA system.
Trace the evolution.
Of ICTA.
ICTA.
हाँ, ICTA.
Sir, spelling, sir.
RQTA. मैंने टाइप कर दिया, देखो.
Okay, sir.
ICTA system. Next was the Nayakara. NAYA NKARA नायंकारा. टाइप कर दिया, देखो.
Okay,
was
sir.
the Nayankara system crucial to Politico, crucial to the Politico, POLITICO, Politico economic structure. Was the Nayankara system crucial to the Politico economic structure of the Vijayanagar Empire? Of the Vijayanagar Empire. Next questions. Next questions. Critically analyze Analyze the rise, RISE, rise. Critically analyze the rise and fall. Critically analyze the rise and fall. स्किन में देखो स्पेलिंग लिख दिया, राजिया इन द दिल्ली सुल्तानेट. Again I repeat, critically analyze the rise and fall of Rajia in the Delhi Sultanate.
सर आपको आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
Shubhankar, are you listen me
Yes, sir.
clearly?
Yes, sir.
So the problem not for side me, okay?
Sometimes sounds were broken and echo sometimes.
ठीक है, लिखो.
सर ये क्वेश्चन हो गया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
नहीं नहीं, लिखो, क्वेश्चंस लिखो. How could you make how could you make the distinction
Sir, how could you make
the distinction distinction CTION
सर स्टार्टिंग
between
से बोलिए.
how could you make the distinction between the Sultanate architectural style, the Sultanate architectural style and
सर आर्किटेक्चरल के बाद उसके बाद
style STYLE style
ओके सर. ओके. आर्किटेक्चरल स्टाइल
and the regional style of architecture and the regional style of architecture
सर आर्किटेक्चर उसके बाद
with special reference to Bengal. Again, I repeat, how could you make the distinction between the Sultanate architectural style and the regional style of architecture with a special reference to Bengal? Next questions. Would you regard would you regard the Delhi Sultanate? Would you regard the Delhi Sultanate as a theocracy? As a theocracy. थियोक्रेसी स्पेलिंग देख लो, स्क्रीन में मैं लिख दिया. Would you regard the Delhi Sultanate as a theocracy? Next, discuss the nature of a Hindu-Muslim relationship. Discuss the nature of the Hindu-Muslim relationship. During the Sultanate period. During the Sultanate period.
Sir, can you repeat it, sir, this question?
Discuss the nature of the Hindu-Muslim relationship during the Sultanate period. Next questions. Write an essay on Sufism.
Write an essay of Sufi.
Write an essay on Sufism.
So spelling. Thank you, sir.
Write an essay on Sufism and spread spread in India. Next, continue the same questions. What impact did the movement? What impact did the movement have on society? Have on society in the Sultanate era? In the Sultanate era.
Thank you, sir.
Again, I repeat, write an essay on Sufism and its spread in India. What impact did the movement have on society in the Sultanate era? Next questions. How did the syncretic TIC. Ideas of Kabir, Nanak, Kabir, Nanak, and Chaitanya, and Chaitanya turns from TRANSFRM, turns from Hinduism into a devotional religion, into a devotional religion easily understood by all section of society.
सर
Sir,
रिलीजियन उसके बाद
Easily understood by all sections of society. Same questions और देकर लिखो, same questions और देकर लिखो. Analyze the various trends. Analyze the various trends. TRENDS, trends within Bhakti movement. Within Bhakti movement from the 14th to 16th centuries. How many questions I give? Subhankar?
sir, 16.
16. Next questions continue.
Sir, right, sir?
Next questions. What was the importance of the Bhakti movement? What was the importance of the Bhakti movement? What was the importance of the Bhakti movement in the social and cultural history of medieval India?
Sir, social of
Social and cultural history of medieval India. What was the importance of the Bhakti movement in the social and cultural history of medieval India? Okay.
okay, sir.
Total 17 questions. I already gave you that these 17 questions are very important from your whole syllabus. Especially I give the questions from Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 9, Unit 16, Unit 17 and Unit 16 and 17. Okay. Shubhankar, you read the all questions from 1 to 17 and rest of other students, please check your questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Shubhankar, you read the questions from 1 to 17 and
Oh.
rest of the students, please check your right. Okay.
Okay, sir. Shall I try? Shall I read?
Okay. You can start.
Okay, sir. First question. How did Iltutmish succeeded in consolidating his empire in the face of external and internal difficulties? First question.
Okay. Next.
Second, what were the problems faced by Ghiyasuddin Balban? How far could he solve them? Second question. Hello.
Next.
Okay, third question. In what ways was Alauddin Khalji responsible for the expansionation of Sultanate? In what ways was Alauddin Khalji responsible for the expansionation of Sultanate?
पढ़ो.
Okay, fourth
Back to back.
question.
Back to back. You read.
Okay, sir. Do you think that the schemes of Muhammad bin Tughlaq were correctly conceived, badly executed? Do you think that the schemes of Muhammad bin Tughlaq were correctly conceived, badly executed? सर इसके बाद मतलब पूरा लाइन कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाया.
वहां पर क्वेश्चन मार्क दो.
अच्छा, एग्जीक्यूटिव क्वेश्चन मार्क.
हाँ.
ओके
Correctly conceived.
badly executed.
Okay.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़ू.
हाँ. जल्दी
Okay.
करो.
Okay. Question 5. Give an account of Firoz Shah Tughlaq as reformer. Is it fair to hold him responsible for the fall of the Delhi Sultanate? Question 6. What was the notion regarding of kingship of the Delhi Sultans from Iltutmish to Alauddin Khalji? Question 7. How did the Ilyas Shahi and Hussain Shahi rulers establish their political authority in Bengal? How did the Ilyas Shahi and Hussain Shahi rulers establish their political authority in Bengal? Question 8. Determine the role of the ideological factor in the emergence of Vijayanagar state. Question 8. Determine the role of the ideological factor in the emergence of Vijayanagar state. Question 9. Trace the evolution of Ikta system. Question 9. Trace the evolution of Ikta system. Question 10. Nayankara system crucial to politico-economic structure of the Vijayanagar Empire. Question 10. Nayankara system crucial to politico-economic structure of the Vijayanagar Empire. Question 11. Critically analyze the rise and the fall Razia in the Delhi Sultanate. Question 12. How could you make that distinction between the Sultanate architectural style and the regional style of architecture with special reference to Bengal? Question 13. Would you regard the Delhi Sultanate as a theocracy? Question 13. Would you regard the Delhi Sultanate as a theocracy? Question 14. Discuss the nature of the Hindu-Muslim relationship during the Sultanate period. Discuss the nature of the Hindu-Muslim relationship during the Sultanate period. Question 15. Write an essay of Sufism and spread in India. What impact did the movement have on society in the Sultanate era? Question 15. Question 16. How did syncretic ideas of Kabir, Nanak and Chaitanya transform Hinduism into a devotional religion easily understood by all sections of society, or analyze the various trends within Bhakti movements from 14th to 16th century? I repeat again, how did the syncretic ideas of Kabir, Nanak and Chaitanya transformed Hinduism into a devotional religion easily understood by all sections of society, or analyze the various trends within Bhakti movements from the 14th to 16th century. Question 17. What was the importance of Bhakti movement in the social and cultural of medieval India?
ठीक है. You remember previous class I already discussed about Dilli Sultans, about the name of five dynasty of Dilli Sultanate: the Slave dynasty, the Khalji dynasty, the Tughlaq dynasty, the Sayyid dynasty, and the Lodi dynasty. I already discussed about Kutubuddin Aibak's early career. Kutubuddin Aibak as a viceroy during 1192 to 1206, and Kutubuddin Aibak as the first Sultan of Delhi Sultanate, and Slave dynasty achievements of Kutubuddin Aibak. Then Aram Shah, and lastly I discussed in previous class about Iltutmish, 1211 to 1236 AD. And also I discussed the ascension of Iltutmish, initial impediments of Iltutmish, Mongol pillar, Chengiz Khan, recovery of Bengal, war with Rajput, reoccupation of the Doab, administrative service of Iltutmish, capture of Sindh and Multan. I already discussed. Now today I'll going to discuss about the successor of Iltutmish, Rukunuddin Firoj. Rukunuddin Firoj was the eldest son of Iltutmish. Having known the incompetence of Firoj, Iltutmish nominated his daughter Rajia to be his successor. But after the death of Iltutmish, the proud Turkish nobles violate his will because they hated to serve under a woman. इल्तुतमिश के जो एल्डेस्ट सन रुकनुद्दीन फिरोज, इल्तुतमिश के बाद उन्होंने दिल्ली का एम्पायर और सुल्तान और सम्राट हुए, लेकिन इल्तुतमिश ने अपने जो डॉटर थे राजिया को अपने नेक्स्ट एम्पायर रूप के मनोनीत किया, लेकिन जो तर्कीज नोबल्स यानी अभिजात तो थे, उन लोग जो ओमन का जो रूल उन्होंने पसंद नहीं हुए, इसलिए रुकनुद्दीन को सिंहासन में बैठाया. Hence the placed Rukunuddin Firoz on the throne of Delhi. Very soon they realized how accurate Iltutmish was in judgment in son capacities. Firoz had emerged in sensuous pleasure and thereby earned unpopularity and hatred of the people. He left the administration to the hand of his ambitious mother Shah Tarkun. She started the taking revenue of her erstwhile enemies while she was a servant maid. Her headstrong temperament landed in the Kranti in troubles. The documental of the public was exploited suitably by Razia, who initiated the citizens of Delhi against Firoj by pointing out the aristocrats of Shah Turman and incompetence of Firoj. Shah Turman and Firoj were imprisoned and put to death in 1236 AD. Razia ascending on the throne of Delhi. इसके बाद रुकनुद्दीन फिरोज के बाद सुल्ताना राजिया द फर्स्ट क्वीन ऑफ दिल्ली सुल्तानेट was not approved of his accession by all sections of the people of the country. The governor of Badaun, Multan, Hansi and Lahore openly opposed her. राजिया जब सिंहासन में आए तो उस समय का जो अभिजात नोबेल्स उन्होंने अपोज थे, स्पेशली बदाऊन, मुल्तान, हंसी एंड लाहौर के जो लोग उन्होंने अपोज थे. मोहम्मद जुनाइदी, the wazir of Rukunuddin, also defied her authority. But very soon, through her wisdom, administrative efficiency, uprightness, and indomitable courage, she was able to attack people to her side and thus was able to restore peace in the country. लेकिन राजिया ने जो अपने क्रेडिट से सब कुछ हैंडल किया और अपने एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को इतने मजबूती से साथ उन्होंने कंटिन्यू किया कि पीपल के अंदर एक जो जलवा दिखाया है. बट वेरी शी वाज एबल टू अटेम्प्ट एट पीपल हर साइड and thus he able to restore place in country. She had acquired sufficient training in the art of administration and from hand of her father. In spite of weakness of her sex, she desired himself in the atmosphere of men and transacted the business of government and went to battlefield with the helmet and armored. The Muladis and Karmadis, fanatics of Islam, refused to accept of a female and formed rebellions which were supposed with an iron hand. The governors of Multan, Badaun, Hansi and Lahore openly defied the authority of Rajia because they consider it to be a disagree to submit to a lady on the throne. The opposition of Turkish nobles was very clever and easily tackled by Razia by means of sowing seed of decisions among them, and thereby she foiled their attempt of dethroning her. Now she saw undue favor of an Abbasian Slav named Jamaluddin Yaqut. This resumed jewelry and indigenization of the haughty Turkish nobles. The evolution of Yaqut to rank the master of stables and provide them to murder him. A revolt raised by Kabir Khan Ayaz, the governor of Punjab, was easily put down. But another revolt staged by Altunia, the governor of Bahatinda, caused her decline. She was taken a captive in hand of Altunia when she marched against him. In the meanwhile, the conspirator of Dilli placed Muizuddin Bahram, a younger son of Iltutmish, on the throne in 1240. तो क्या हुआ? सुल्ताना राजिया जो दिल्ली के एकमात्र फीमेल, उन्होंने अपने सिंहासन पर राज करने के बाद बहुत सारे जो उस समय का जो मेन थे मुल्तान, बदाऊन, हंसी और लाहौर गवर्नर ने उन्होंने अपोज राजिया के अपोज में अपना मत दिया. उसके बाद राजिया ने अपने क्रेडिट से यानी एज ए वोमेन होकर एज ए मैन रूप में अपने क्रेडिट उन्होंने प्रदर्शित किया. उसके बाद याकूत खां जिन्होंने हब्सी थे उसके साथ उन्होंने अपने अलायंस किए, लेकिन मुइजुद्दीन बहरम जो कंस्पिरेसी किया, उस कंस्पिरेसी के ऊपर सुल्ताना राजिया ने अपने जो क्रेडिट उन्होंने लैप्स किया और उन्होंने डिक्लाइन हुआ, और 1240 में उन्हीं का जो मर्डर हुए और उसके 1240 में मुइजुद्दीन ने अपने दास डायनेस्टी के ऊपर अपने राज कायम किया। तो यही था दास सुल्तानेट के मेन जो कैरेक्टर थे, कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक, इल्तुतमिश, सुल्ताना राजिया। Sultana Rajia is very important for your short questions. Iltutmish is very important for your broad questions. And 14th 14th member of Kutubuddin Aibak, and also Aibak से questions आएगा short questions रूप में। मैंने already questions दे दिए आप लोगों को। ये questions आप लोग आंसर आपको जो कीड है स्टडी मटेरियल्स वहां से आप लोग मिल जाएगा, वहां से जो इंग्लिश वर्जन में इंग्लिश वर्जन और जो हिंदी वर्जन में हिंदी वर्जन, दोनों वर्जन में स्टडी मेट इग्नू का वहां से ठीक लिखा हुआ, वहां से आप लोग आंसर निकाल लीजिए। कोई दिक्कत हो यानी प्रॉब्लम हो तो मेरे साथ कंसल्ट कर लेना, ठीक है। जो 17 क्वेश्चंस मैंने दिया वो सब 17 क्वेश्चंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। मैं दूसरा बार बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि आज एक क्लास हुए और पिछले दिन एक क्लास हुए, दोनों क्लास के अंदर मैं कोशिश किया आप लोगों का जो डिफिकल्टीज यानी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशन करने के लिए। फिर क्लास होगा तो मेरा ऑर्डर आएगा तो फिर क्लास हम लेंगे, ठीक है। हेलो
हेलो सर।
Yes, sir.
हेलो
ठीक है।
सर, कैन यू
हेलो,
गिव द नंबर अगेन? दिस इज सलमान हियर।
मैं तो ऑलरेडी निकाल दूं,
सर,
पिछले क्लास में दे
yesterday I couldn't get the link. Today I got the link for the first time. So if you can share the number again, it would be grateful, sir. Because if I have any doubts, then I can contact you.
स्क्रीन में देखो, मैं दे दिया, ठीक है। हेलो हेलो सलमान, सुनाई दे रहा?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it. Thank you so much.
कॉल मत करना, ठीक है। कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो व्हाट्सएप करना, ठीक है। ओके, टुडे क्लास इज एंड। ओके, टेक केयर ऑल माय स्टूडेंट। गुड नाइट।
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good
Thank you.
night, sir. Take care, sir.